Hello, courageous warriors. Today, we're diving into a powerful topic, the one word that a narcissist absolutely cannot stand. This word holds the power to disrupt their control and expose their insecurities. Let's uncover this word together and explore its significance. The word. No. Imagine a towering giant brought to its knees by a single word. That word is no. To a narcissist, no is a direct challenge to their authority, control, and sense of entitlement. It's a boundary they can't easily cross, and it disrupts their manipulative strategies. Let's explore why no is so powerful. Denial of control. Picture a puppeteer suddenly losing control of their marionette. Narcissists thrive on control and manipulation. When you say no, you're asserting your autonomy and denying them the control they crave. This refusal can throw them off balance and challenge their sense of power. Boundary setting. Think of a fortress with strong, unyielding walls. Saying no is an act of setting boundaries, protecting your well-being, and maintaining your self-respect. Narcissists are not used to encountering firm boundaries, and this word forces them to recognize and respect your limits. Disruption of entitlement. Imagine a spoiled child being denied their favorite treat. Narcissists have an inflated sense of entitlement, believing they deserve special treatment and unwavering compliance. When you say no, you disrupt their expectations and assert that their desires do not dictate your actions. Exposure of insecurities. Think of a mirror reflecting their true, fragile self. Narcissists often hide behind a facade of confidence and superiority. When you say no, it exposes their underlying insecurities and vulnerabilities. They may react with anger or defensiveness, revealing the fragility beneath their exterior. Encouragement of self-empowerment. Picture a phoenix rising from the ashes, reborn and empowered. Saying no is an act of self-empowerment. It reinforces your sense of self-worth and autonomy. Each time you assert this boundary, you strengthen your ability to protect yourself and prioritize your needs. How to use no effectively. Think of a warrior wielding a powerful shield. Use no with confidence and clarity. Be firm but respectful, and avoid unnecessary explanations or justifications. Your no is enough. Stand by your decision and recognize that it's a vital tool for maintaining your well-being. Conclusion. The word no is a powerful tool in dealing with narcissists. It disrupts their control, sets boundaries, and exposes their insecurities. By using this word effectively, you can protect yourself and assert your autonomy. Remember, you have the power to say no and reclaim your life. If this video provided valuable insights, please like, share, and subscribe. Join our community of warriors reclaiming their power and living their truth. Until next time, stay strong, stay vigilant, and always remember your worth.